Well, it wasn't the first time for me, but I turned it on today, that's for sure.
Yeah,
86 degrees this afternoon, making it the warmest day so far this year, and more unusually warm weather in the forecast, though we will see a little bit cooler conditions settle across the area tomorrow. But right now, out there, a live look at our view across Llano County from our exclusive Hill Country camera. It's located on our KBVO broadcast tower there, 8 miles southeast of Llano. And despite the clouds out there near Llano, in fact, in Llano, right on the Llano River, one of the LCRA thermometers measured 90 degrees this afternoon. So it's been even warmer out in Llano County. In Austin right now, it is 82 degrees, and our evening planning forecast dropping in about 10 degrees at 8 o'clock tonight. And at 10 o'clock, we're still at 64 degrees. So pretty good night for Mardi Gras tonight. In fact, let's take a look at your Mardi Gras forecast. Boy, 6th Street is going to be loaded tonight, and the weather is really going to cooperate. Yes, we'll have quite a few clouds in the sky, but the temperatures will be super. Probably still in the 60s past 11 p.m. and even past midnight, only dipping into the upper 50s. The cooler air really settles in a little closer to morning. A west wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So enjoy yourself. Just be careful out there. Temperatures tonight in the low and mid 80s, or late this afternoon, I should say. Upper 70s in eastern counties, including Lee and Fayette. In the Hill Country counties, low and mid 80s currently. In the city, it's 82, and we're mostly cloudy. It's the same out at the airport. Our winds are southeasterly at 6 to 10 miles per hour. Sunset tonight at 6:35 p.m. Mold count today, it jumped up into that high category for the first time in a while. Oak, medium, elm, and an assortment of spring trees showed up there in the low category. And tomorrow, we think because of the sun today, a little increased wind tomorrow, and the sun we'll see tomorrow, those counts could be a little bit higher. Around Texas, warm air surging northward up into North Texas, 76 in Dallas, 83 in Waco, 47 in Amarillo. There's that cooler air that's slowly making its way down our direction. The low I showed you yesterday over the southern Rockies pulling across Kansas and Oklahoma this afternoon. Severe thunderstorms breaking out. In fact, Red River County of northeast Texas is under a tornado warning right now. They may have had a tornado touchdown near Paris. There was some damage on the west side of Paris, Texas, and they think there still could be a tornado in that area moving up toward the Clarksville area of northeast Texas. Meanwhile, you see all the clouds here associated with that front that's moving our way, but we don't think the rain's going to develop down here into our area along this front. The front will move on through here toward morning, and then we'll see some cooler weather. In fact, by 7 o'clock in the morning, we ought to have that front on through the Austin metro area, and then as we go through the day tomorrow, it'll be about 10 degrees, in some places as much as 20 degrees cooler tomorrow than today, but really that just puts us back down around normal. Then on Thursday, it'll just be nice. In fact, even tomorrow afternoon, pretty nice, up into the low 70s. Tonight, we're looking for low temperatures to be noticeably cooler, falling into the 40s across much of the area. From the metro area eastward, a little closer to 50 degrees because that front doesn't get here, the cooler air, until a little before sunrise in the morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, no 80s, no 90s. Most places in the low 70s tomorrow, where we're supposed to be. Tonight, let's go 50 for the low temperature toward morning. Wind shift north in the middle of the night. And then tomorrow, north wind at 10 to 15, a high of 72, with skies becoming mostly sunny. And I'll tell you what, we've got a good-looking 7-day forecast. Of course, the Fair and Rodeo coming up, South by Southwest coming up. The first weekend of it is just looking super. Now, we will cloud up, and we'll have a chance of a shower, maybe some morning drizzle on Sunday, slight chance of a shower on Monday. But the temperatures will just be super. And peeking ahead beyond 7 days, much of next week is looking pretty good, too. So it may work out just right this year, Robert.